Welcome to Gaming, the new channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And my friends, I'm giving you a quick update. So this is not going to be a too long video. So Assassin's Creed Shadows is out. So it has now, it's very positive rated with over 2,000 reviews here on Steam, and you can see we had a highest value of 41,000 people playing this game today, and the follower base is only 37,000, and that's pretty good. Also keep in mind, so you get way cheaper keys if you buy this game, for example, for CD keys or on other platforms, and then you play them only on the Uplay or Ubisoft launcher. So this is only for Steam, and then we will obviously find out soon. We will find out how many people bought this game. So, but this is not a gaming channel, this is an investment channel. So let's get back. You can see already market cap is up to 1.71 billion again. So yesterday, you see, this was the sell the event situation, 10% down. So today we come back and we see where we even went up to 1345, and now we see some sort of consolidation. And if you look on the 1 month trend, upside 13-14%. You could have made 13-14%, 20% from February the 12th to March the 20th, guys. So look at this. So this looks like a consolidation. So is it going to stay like this, my friends? I don't know. So obviously we have to wait for the real numbers to go out then to see if there's more positive sentiment for the stock from institutional investors, from retail investors. So from all those investors that had the hypothesis that they think like this game has to be good because then Ubisoft is not going to put all their franchises and IPs in a dedicated in a special entity, or they're not going to be acquired. So Ubisoft stays like this. So if those people are all happy, then obviously the way is free to, let's say, to go back to the 25-30 euros. So if those people are not convinced, my friends, then I would say it's going to become a little bit more difficult. Then all my hypotheses that I had yesterday, also in my video yesterday, are still valid. So at the moment we are trading in a very small or short trading range. So you can see it's a stock with not so much volume at the moment. There's still a lot of caution when it comes to the stock, but overall top selling game. Yeah, that's not surprising. And good ratings, decent player base, all of this is fine. And I have to say, guys, so yeah, people complain. Some people always complain, obviously. I have to say, I played it yesterday, so I'm going to play it right now. So just wanted to get this video out before I jump into this game. I like it. The first half an hour, I like it. It's really, really good fighting mechanics. So it's definitely a good game. So from a gamer's perspective, this is interesting. And from an investor's perspective, so I have a little bit more hope now for Ubisoft, my friend. So the hope came back. So also here we see already some news here from Reuters. Ubisoft rises on new Assassin's Creed Shadows post-launch positive ratings. Shares in Ubisoft rise 3.4% after the French video game maker's new Assassin's Creed Shadows game debuted with mostly positive ratings on Steam 2 hours after its launch. The game's launch could be a make or break moment for Ubisoft as it faces declining revenue, a sinking stock price, and takeover speculations. Mid-cap partners deemed the 80 out of 100 score on Metacritic very encouraging. So those are now analysts on Wednesday, while Steam users reviews are 7.9% positive. So let's see. Yep, where are we here? 78. So, but it doesn't make the big difference. If the first positive signals of a sale are confirmed, the whole history of the group could return to better fortune. So that's good to hear. The release had been delayed twice and is Ubisoft's first major game premiere since Star Wars Outlaws last year. So including today's rise, stock has dropped by 0.95% year to date. All right, guys, what do you think? Is this, yeah? What is your opinion now about the Ubisoft stock after the release of Assassin's Creed? So write it down below in the commentary section. If you have friends and family that are let's say Ubisoft haters, Assassin's Creed haters, so share this video with them, so I'm also interested in their opinion. And with that, I'm leaving it here. See you the next time, my friends. Bye bye. And this is no financial advice. This is just for retail and informational purposes only. You should not buy anything you see in this video, so most probably you lose all your money, because I'm just a YouTube investor. I'm just a YouTuber and a retail investor, and I have no idea what I'm talking about. All right, is this okay? Thanks. Bye.